Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, the 12 days of Christmas, not 20. So I recently discovered this new brand at Target and they sell single shadows. I actually sent this off to Kendra Morgan Official, who does a lot of single shadows on her channel, but literally like this really like just spoke to me because they had blushes, they had some, this one's actually a brow powder, and then they also had some eyeshadows. So I wanted to kind of show you guys what I picked up. They are at Target, and show you like what I found, because this is just so cool. Like you don't find single shadows like this normally anyway. The eyeshadows retail for $3.99. So did the brow pomades and the blushes. So they were all $3.99. The brand is Billion Dollar Beauty. And I don't know, it called to me. Single eyeshadows, we never find them in store like ever. And they were at Target, super affordable. So I wanted to see how pigmented they were, what they looked like, what the formula was like. So let's open up the first shadow. This is called Moon, and it's almost like a ballet pink color. Let's see how easy these are to open. Oh, pretty easy. Oh. So there's a little tiny round pan. So for reference here, I did bring out some of my, this is a Makeup Geek, like one of their 24 clear ones. So I brought this out so that we could see. So this is Shimmer right here. And that's like the standard Makeup Geek pan. So this one is almost like a ColourPop size pan. So we're just going to stick these in this magnetic palette, and I want to swatch them after we're done opening them. All right, this next one is called Caramel. Ooh, that one's almost like a peachy undertone. It's actually really similar, but you can see just a slight difference in that one, just based off of the eye look. This one is Shimmer, ironic, and it actually almost looks like a pinky purple shimmer shadow. And then we have Rustic. This is almost like a rust orange color. I was really interested in this when I saw it on Target's website, and I liked the like orange look to it. I feel like a lot of the colors that they have right now are just really warm and simple. So this is the Rustic color, and it is a really, most of these are matte. Look guys, it's like a color story. And then this one is called Hickory. It looks like it's about a medium tone, warm. It's not cool tone at all, and it's a brown shade. Ooh. And it is matte as well. Those will pair nice together. Next we have a shimmer shade. This one is a foil and it's called Golden. It actually looks more like not gold, but like champagne. Yeah. It is almost more like a champagne color. Lots of neutrals. And then we have the brow powder, and this one's called Taupe. So it is a dark taupey color, and it is cool tone. So I can use this for my eyebrows, or I could use it as an eyeshadow, which I'll probably use it more as an eyeshadow. So there is the Taupe color. So these are the shadows that I picked out from there. And then we have these adorable little blushes. Like, look at these. And I'm actually missing some because I ordered highlight as well. So hopefully those are coming soon. So this blush color, ooh, that's cute. I like how it's like a little strip. It kind of reminds me of the CoverGirl ones that you get that are like amazing. This is called Romance. So we're going to put these down here. The next blush is called Amour. Here it is. This looks almost like a red undertone. Kind of reddy orange actually. Yeah, look at that. Almost like a brick red. And then the last blush that I have is called Fling, and this is almost like an orangey undertone. I'm wondering how these are going to apply on the skin. Like if they're going to be pigmented, if they're going to be, you know, kind of meh. For $3.99, I was like, you know what, we better give it a shot. So those are the three blushes that I chose. And here are the eyeshadows. These are all from Billion Dollar Beauty. And actually looking at this eyebrow shade, it almost looks green, doesn't it? I do really like the eyeshadow shades. So I'm going to go through and swatch these really quick. So let's do the blushes first. Okay, so actual like feel, it's velvety. I kind of want to just know how it's going to apply on my skin. So it kind of looks patchy. I mean, not terrible. Not for $3.99. We are going to go with this one. That's like actually more of a peachy tone. Yeah. It's very like satin blush too. It's not like super matte. It definitely has a little bit of a sheen to it. And then last but not least, this one's Fling. Oh wow, that's actually way more pink than what I thought it was. I have a feeling that these like are super buildable, because if you look how I built them up, they look really pretty on my skin. So here are the 3 blush shades. Okay, now let's swatch the eyeshadows. I'm super curious about these. So we're gonna swatch Shimmer, which is like that purpley pink. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh yeah, that's nice. Not terrible at all. It definitely has a pink undertone in it. We're gonna do Golden. Ooh, that's pretty too. And that one actually, so on swatch, it looks way more golden than what it did like in the pan. And then we have Rustic right here. Definitely reminds me of Orange Rust. See, and that's more red. Like an orangey red. It's definitely orange, not red. What am I thinking? So there's Rustic. We're going to swatch Hickory. So here's Hickory on my finger. Ooh, that's interesting. It almost looks patchy on my finger though. I'm kind of concerned about that one. Rustic, it definitely did not go on patchy. This one kind of feels like it might be patchy, and I'm really hoping not. And then we have here Carm Caramel. This one's almost like the same tone as my skin. But in like actually like rubbing my finger in these, they're super soft. They almost feel like ABH shadows. So there is Caramel, and it diffuses, but it's not patchy by any means. So it's probably one of those ones you have to work and build up. We have Moon here, which is that pinky neutral. This would be like a great base shade for your eye. So here is Moon. Ooh, that is like a pink. It's like a ballerina pink. That's pretty. So I think they are shadows that you would have to like more or less build up, but overall they're not terrible. $3 for singles is really good, especially these 2 metallic shades down here. And then I did want to take a look at this eyebrow shade as well. It's called Taupe. It is a cool tone brown, and it's technically a brow powder, but a lot of things are multi-purpose, so you can use them for more than just a brow powder. So this is cool toned. It's a little bit patchy, but that's what it looks like. Ta-da! There it is right there. So overall, not a bad setup at all. I really like the blushes. They seem more like satiny, and that they're going to build up really nicely like on your face. And I think my main concern would be how long are they going to wear for? So maybe tomorrow I'll test them out and I'll let you guys know. But I really like these 2 shimmer shades. And again, like just to do a size comparison between the 2, this is Shimma Shimma from the old Makeup Geek formula. And then these ones are from Billion Dollar Beauty, BDB. And the mattes are really, really soft. Like, look. So just to kind of give you guys a color comparison from the old Shimma Shimma. So pretty. And then we'll swatch Golden. and shimmer. Oh, these are actually really comparable in feel and look. So that's super pretty. Really, really pretty actually. So the shimmers are definitely like on par. And then these are some more Makeup Geek shadows here. I think this one is actually, it's called Pink of Me. And it is from Makeup Geek. This one's from Makeup Geek. I love this shade. Actually, no, it's not from Makeup Geek. Who's it from? I have no idea. This one is a Makeup Geek shade though. It's called Aphrodite. And that one can go on kind of patchy as well, like what these darker ones did. So that kind of gives me some confidence that, you know, not all shadows are perfect, but these ones are pretty good. I think this one is from Makeup Geek. I think it's called Solo, or this one right here. Super creamy. Like, oh, this is one of my favorite shades. Oh, look at that. It's just gorgeous. So guys, here is more of my single shadows collection that I added from Billion Dollar Beauty, $3.99 for each one. And swatches. Thank you so much for watching this video and tuning into my, 12 days of Christmas. Stay tuned for my next video. I'm going to go through my single shadows and like organize them by color story and by brand. And I think I'm going to organize them in these beautiful Makeup Geek palettes as well. So thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye!